Meteorologist Amy Freeze here. A powerful winter storm is unleashing heavy snowfall across the Northeast, creating travel headaches. Here's weather across America. A large weather system is sweeping across the Midwest, visibly impacting several regions on the radar. Showers and thunderstorms stretch from the Dakotas down to central Illinois, with Minneapolis experiencing significant rainfall accompanied by potential thunderstorms. The line of rain continues eastward, impacting Chicago with heavy precipitation that may affect evening commutes. In the Pacific Northwest, Seattle remains mostly clear. However, some scattered rain showers are possible later in the evening. The mountain regions near Billings may see a mix of rain and snow, causing slippery conditions along high-altitude roadways. Further south, Denver enjoys a dry day under clear skies. Meanwhile, in the southeast, Atlanta may see an increase in cloud cover, with light rain chances later, while the Gulf Coast, from Houston to New Orleans, remains relatively calm, with no major precipitation expected. Coastal regions in the Northeast, including New York and Washington, D.C., are free from significant weather systems, offering a break from recent wet conditions. Here's a look at today's high temperatures across the nation. In the Southwest, Phoenix is sizzling at a scorching 98 degrees, while Los Angeles enjoys a more moderate 73. Heading to the southeast, Atlanta reaches a warm 90 degrees, contrasting sharply with Nashville's cooler 74. The northeast sees temperatures varying as New York hits 69 degrees, while Washington, D.C. warms up to 72. Meanwhile, in the Midwest, Chicago remains chilly at 56 degrees, juxtaposed with warmer spots like Kansas City at 68. Overall, it's a day of contrasts, with significant heat in the southwest and southeast. Now for the low temperatures. The northern tier will feel the chill, with Minneapolis dipping to a brisk 42 degrees and Chicago dropping to 47. Heading south, Kansas City will wake up to a low of 53, while Oklahoma City sees a morning low of 62. Meanwhile, the southeast is experiencing mild temperatures, with Atlanta at 60 and New Orleans at 62. However, parts of the northwest are still on the cooler side, with Seattle starting the day at 48 degrees. Expect some areas in the central U.S. to flirt with the freezing mark, but nothing below the freezing point is expected. Tomorrow's high temperatures are shaping up to be quite warm across much of the region. Los Angeles will see a sizzling 104 degrees, while nearby San Diego cools down to 73. Moving across the state, Sacramento can expect a high of 81 degrees, and further inland, Fresno will reach 88. Houston is in for a warm day with temperatures peaking at 91 degrees. Atlanta will be comfortably warm with a high of 85, while Miami is expected to hit 92 degrees, indicating some above-average readings as warm air continues to settle over the southeast. A dynamic weather pattern is anticipated over the next 48 hours across the nation, with significant changes to watch out for. In the Pacific Northwest, Seattle will experience rain showers, while parts of Southern California remain dry. A storm system in the Midwest introduces cooler air, with rain impacting cities like Minneapolis and Kansas City, extending toward Chicago. Eastern states, including New York and Washington, will face steady rain, which may affect commute times. In the southeast, Atlanta is on alert for scattered thunderstorms. Meanwhile, in the central U.S., Oklahoma City looks to dodge severe weather threats as storms develop. Along the northern Rockies, snow is forecasted in higher elevations around Billings.